Tired of lukewarm drinks? The Stanley Adventure Quencher Travel Tumbler 40 ounces is here to keep your beverages icy cold all day long. This isn't just another water bottle, it's your ultimate hydration companion, ensuring refreshing sips from morning commutes to evening workouts. Thanks to its incredible double-wall vacuum insulation, your drinks stay perfectly cold for 11+ hours, often even longer with ice, a true game-changer for any busy lifestyle. Designed for real life, it boasts a comfort grip handle for easy carrying and a reusable straw, making hydration effortless whether you're at your desk or on the go. And yes, it actually fits. Its clever design is car cup holder compatible, solving that universal problem for road trips and daily errands. What truly sets this Stanley tumbler apart is its robust build, combined with thoughtful features that genuinely enhance your daily routine, making it a truly essential kitchen item. If you're looking for the best travel tumbler or ready to upgrade your hydration experience, this Stanley Quencher is a smart investment. Find the official Amazon link in the description below. Don't settle for less. Click that link to grab yours and start enjoying perfectly chilled drinks whenever you need them. For anyone serious about staying hydrated with style and efficiency, the Stanley Adventure Quencher is an absolute must-buy and easily one of the best kitchen essentials of 2025.